No matter where you go in the great outdoors, there's one thing you're bound to encounter: mosquitoes. Sprays are messy and unpleasant. Instead of stopping mosquitoes on your skin, what if you could stop them in flight before they can bother you? ThermaCell fuel-powered zone mosquito repellers surround you with a 15-foot mosquito protection zone. And all fuel-powered ThermaCell repellers work the same way. Each repeller uses a fuel cartridge and blue ThermaCell repellent mats that contain a version of a natural insect repellent found in chrysanthemums to keep mosquitoes away for hours. First, remove the cover from the repeller handle. Then, remove the cap from a fuel cartridge, insert the cartridge, and replace the cover. Next, slide a repellent mat into place. Turn the switch to the on position and wait a few seconds. Then, press the start button until it clicks. Finally, check the view window to see that the flame is lit. The heat generated by the fuel cartridge is directed to the mat, activating the repellent. After a few minutes, the heat disperses the repellent, creating a zone of mosquito protection. Each mat lasts up to 4 hours. When the blue mat turns white, simply replace it with a fresh one. So say goodbye to lotions, sprays, candles, and torches. With ThermaCell repellers, there's no scent and no open flame. Just an invisible, silent, 15-foot zone of mosquito protection. ThermaCell stands by our products and their effectiveness with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. ThermaCell. Turn it on, mosquitoes gone.
Introducing the IVATION Portable Mini Shower. It's so compact it fits in your backpack. We've included adapters so you can set it up anywhere. It's great for outdoor adventures. All you need is a bucket of water or a lake. Just hook it on a tree. Drop the pump into a bucket and power on. A constant stream of water that will gently shower you clean, while an active built-in water filtration system filters the water. This lightweight portable shower can be used virtually anywhere. It's also fantastic for washing your car. Its soothing flow is also great for our furry friends too, even the finicky ones. They love the gentle stream of our IVATION portable shower. This portable shower has a battery life that allows up to 1 hour of continuous use. To charge, simply plug into any USB socket. It's as simple as that.
The SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini is perfect for ultralight hiking, camping, holiday travel, and business travel. This new product follows on from our award-winning original SCRUBBA Wash Bag, which is used by over 140,000 travellers and campers. It's half the weight and even more compact, making it perfect for ultralight travellers. The SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini's patented design includes a flexible inner washboard that allows a machine-quality wash anywhere in just minutes. To wash clothes, just add water and cleaning liquid. Seal the bag, deflate, and rub the clothes against the inner washboard. Then just rinse and hang to dry. For ultralight hikers and campers, a clean pair of socks and underwear is re-energising and hygienic. And the SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini allows them to be washed anywhere without harming waterways. Between washes, the SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini doubles as a bucket, a dry bag for additional dry storage, a phone protector, and a wet laundry bag. Used for travel, the SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini is more hygienic and effective than hand washing in a sink. Plus, it helps save money by avoiding exorbitant hotel laundry fees. The SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini features are designed to provide an easy-to-use laundry device that doesn't compromise weight. These features include our lightweight TPU-coated durable fabric, an easy-to-use twist valve for deflation, the flexible inner washboard which is backed by a grip surface, a window to monitor the washing progress, optimal water level markings, instructions printed on the bag, a roll-down closure with guidelines, and D-ring for convenient carrying. Pack a SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini on your next journey or outdoor adventure and do more with less. The SCRUBBA Wash Bag Mini. Do more with less.
The COLEMAN Sundome is a quick and easy to pitch dome tent, ideal for weekend breaks and touring camping. Combining a generously proportioned sleeping area with a peaked porch, the tent provides comfortable accommodation for couples or small groups on the campsite. Its portable construction features durable yet lightweight fiberglass poles that ensure an optimum balance of strength and stability with a low weight. The tent's proven dome structure, combined with fully adjustable and reflective guy ropes, also ensures it will stand strong in windy conditions. Once set up, the Sundome offers generous head height for increased comfort. A large mesh window with adjustable cover on the back provides excellent airflow through the tent and also gives a view of your surroundings. The large D-shaped front door with mesh ensures easy entry and exit, while the peak over the door creates a sheltered area when entering the tent in a shower. The convenient doormat offers an ideal space for kicking off shoes and boots. The tent's durable construction features large mesh panels for enhanced air circulation and a more comfortable interior temperature. For extra protection from heavy dew or unexpected rain showers, the Sundome incorporates a protective flysheet with a 600mm hydrostatic head. The tough and durable polyethylene ground sheet has welded seams to ensure a dry and bug-free interior. For peace of mind, all fabrics are fire retardant. 2 storage pockets along with lighting loops make it easy to keep the tent tidy and organized, while the power cord vent allows you to run power inside the tent to operate some extra home comforts. Easy to pitch thanks to COLEMAN's ring and pin pole system, the Sundome can be effortlessly set up in around 5 minutes. Remove from the bag. Lay out the tent and loosely peg out the 4 corners. Assemble the fiberglass poles and insert the 2 long poles into the pole sleeves. The pole sleeves cross at the top of the tent. Insert the pins into the pole ends on one side. Then push to form the dome and insert the pins into the other ends of the poles. Clip the tent to the poles. Lay out the flysheet. Put the last pole through the Velcro tabs and place the ends into the webbing pockets. Take the flysheet over the tent. The back of the flysheet is labelled. Attach the flysheet's Velcro tabs to the poles to secure and then hook to the ring at ground level. Tension and tighten the pegs if required, and then peg out the 2 guy lines. Finally, add the doormat and secure with pegs. COLEMAN Sundome is available in 2, 3, 4 or 6-person models.